Good morning, family. Good afternoon. Good day. I'm gonna show you how to brand new cups with 651 vinyl. 651 vinyl, it is used to wrap or to brand on cars. It can stand any weather, winter, spring, autumn, summer. You can name any. So what you need to have, it's a 651 vinyl. You need to have a blade. You need to have this tape. You need to have a scissor. So here's my vinyl. You also need to have a cameo cutter. I use cameo cutter, but for those of you who have a different cutter, it doesn't really matter, but as long as it can do the work of cutting, that's what we need to do. And then you also need to design with the computer. If you don't know how to design, you can get somebody to do it for you and go to the printing companies to cut it out for you. And then you come and copy and paste what I'm gonna do, and you do it for yourself. So this, you can do it for your company, you can do it for your event at any time given. You don't really need to spend much on doing this. You get yourself a cup. This is a plastic cup. It's a disposable cups, and then you just brand your logo on that, so people that can know who actually provided the services or who's actually hosting the event. So I'm going to take you through with a new different one, not this one. This one I'm going to put it aside. Here's my cup. It has not been branded anyhow. So firstly, what I need to do is to weed. You see? I hope you can see. So it's gonna come out like this. Let me put the blade aside. So you need to be very careful. It does not come out with the information you want. You only want to take the axis, the one that does not, or is not supposed to appear, or it's the cutout that needs to be thrown away. It came out nicely. It's like this. Then I cut that tape that I talked about, this one. I put this because remember the vinyls, it sticks. It has a sticky thing. It's an adhesive sticker. So what we're going to do is to remove this paper, this one, because it is the one that was protecting it. So we're going to remove it so that we can be able to paste it or put it on the cup. It's like this on the tape. So we take our cup and then we put it nicely, and then we put our artwork on the cup. Ta-da! That's here. So you can do it yourself. You just need to get somebody. If you don't know how to design, get somebody to design for you. And if you don't have the cutting machine, go to the printing companies to cut it out for you, and then just come and do it for yourself. It doesn't require much of an energy to do this. but you can do it at any time. It's easy to do, you just need to get everything in order to make sure that you can do this for yourself. Get it yourself. If you have an event, do this for yourself. If you want to brand anything, especially cups, it's festive season, so you're good to go. Thank you very much. Please do subscribe to the channel for more videos coming. Thank you very much for watching.